Hi everybody, it's Chef Andrew with Mountain High Appliance. Today we're cooking on induction and I'm going to tell you all about it, the pluses and the cons, there aren't any, and why I'm such a big fan of induction. Induction cooking has really replaced the old electric top as our standard go-to for electric cooktops. Induction uses a whole different type of technology than the old glowing red, radiant thermal electric. With induction, what happens is an induction generator underneath is going to create a magnetic field and it's going to interact with the metal itself. All you need to know is your pans are going to work if a magnet can stick to them. Because the burner isn't going to create heat that transfers through to the pan, you can put things in between the pan and the glass to preserve that nice finish on your glass. A lot of times what I'll do is to prevent mess and to keep from scratching, if I have a rough bottom pan like a cast iron, it's just a paper towel. As long as it doesn't get too hot, you're going to be fine. Another option would be a silicone mat. I use these quite often on my double burners so that I can put a griddle on here and it'll be a non-stick surface as well as keeping it clean and safe. Something interesting about our region is we sell more induction than a lot of other regions because of our elevation. The higher we get, the less oxygen there is in the air, the lower temperature and efficiency that gas can burn at, which means your gas cooktop isn't going to have that power it would have at sea level. That's not a problem with induction. Because we're not burning gas, we're going to get higher highs, and because of the precision of induction, we can get lower lows. I can set this burner to the melt setting and have perfectly melted chocolate all day long without worrying of scorching and without the use of a double boiler. Look at these great strawberries getting dipped. Just like that. Not only is induction great with the low temperatures, it's fantastic with high, hot heat. You may have noticed, with our elevation, it takes quite a while to get a big pot of water to boil on gas. That's because of its low efficiency. With induction, we have more power and less worry about how long it takes to boil. This pasta water is going to boil in just a matter of minutes because of that superior power. Induction is so powerful, the high, hot heat can scorch food. So I recommend going 3/4 power and making sure all your food is prepped ahead of time and ready to roll. Induction's much safer for the little ones. Kids can't reach up and burn themselves because the burners can't be left on and the heat dissipates very quickly. I like the glass top to be used as a workstation or put a cutting board here because it's just an extension of the counter when I'm not cooking on that part. Induction is fantastic and is a good way to go. If you want an induction into the Cooking Hall of Fame, give it a try here at Mountain High Appliance. If you have any more questions, you're welcome to visit us at any of our Mountain High Appliance showrooms, Colorado Springs near Austin Bluffs and Academy, in Littleton near Broadway and Arapahoe, in Louisville, our original showroom near downtown on Pine Street, or even our Glenwood Springs Mountain showroom.